In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to start a blog using Hostinger step by step, even if you've never built a website before. Blogging is one of the best ways to share your ideas, build an audience, and even create an online income. And with tools like Hostinger and WordPress, getting started is easier than ever. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process, from creating your blog to customizing it so it looks exactly the way you want. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully working blog ready for your first post. And if you find this tutorial helpful at any point, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech and website tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in and start building your blog with Hostinger. The first thing you need to do is log into your Hostinger dashboard. Once you're logged in, look at the menu on the left side of the screen and click on the option called Websites. Inside this section, you'll see all the websites connected to your hosting account. To create a new blog, click the Add Website button. Hostinger will now ask you what type of website you want to create. Since we're building a blog, choose WordPress. WordPress is the most popular blogging platform in the world, and it powers millions of websites because it's flexible, powerful, and beginner-friendly. After selecting WordPress, you'll need to enter a few basic details for your new blog. Start by adding your administrator email address. This will be used to manage your website. Next, create a secure password for your WordPress account. Then choose the language you want your WordPress dashboard to use. Once those details are filled in, continue to the next step. Hostinger will now guide you through selecting a starter template for your blog. These templates are pre-designed layouts that make your site look professional right from the beginning. You can browse through different blog styles and choose one that matches the look and feel you want for your website. When you click on a template, you can preview it to see how it looks on desktop, tablet, and mobile devices. This is helpful because you want your blog to look good on every screen size. Take a moment to scroll through the previews and find a design that fits your style. When you find one you like, select it and continue to the next step. Hostinger may also recommend some useful plugins during the setup process. Plugins add extra features to your blog, such as SEO tools, security protection, performance optimization, or contact forms. You can install the recommended plugins now, or you can always add more later from inside the WordPress dashboard. After that, you'll be asked to choose the domain for your blog. Your domain is the web address people will type to visit your website, like yourblog.com. If you already own a domain, you can connect it here. If not, you can register a new domain directly through Hostinger during this step. Once your domain is selected, Hostinger will begin installing WordPress automatically. This process usually takes a couple of minutes, so just give it a moment while everything gets set up in the background. When the installation finishes, your blog will officially be live on the internet. Now that WordPress is installed, you can start customizing your blog. Open your WordPress dashboard by clicking the Manage WordPress option in Hostinger, or by visiting yourdomain.com/wp-admin. Inside the dashboard, you can change your theme, edit pages, install plugins, and adjust the design of your entire blog. You can also create your first blog post by going to Posts and clicking Add New. From there, you can write articles, add images, format your text, and publish content for your readers. Spend some time exploring the settings and customizing your site so it matches your brand and the style of blog you want to create. And that's it. You've successfully started a blog using Hostinger and WordPress. As you continue building your blog, focus on publishing helpful content, improving your design, and growing your audience over time. If this video helped you learn how to start a blog with Hostinger, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple website tutorials and online tools that can help you grow faster. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.